Creative Bespoke coming through with the carbon fiber body. What's up, everybody? Welcome to day 2 SEMA. We are in the North Hall today. We're starting off this way. We were in the Central Hall yesterday, most of the day. So we're gonna walk around.
Battery floating.
Yeah, dude. That's some Star Wars shit right there. Let's check that out. That's pretty cool. Dude, this thing is... Love a good Porsche. We know Christian likes Porsches. Even though you just sold yours, but...
Sad days.
Wah wah. That's pretty sick though, dude. And the floating battery, that's cool. What do you want to see today, Hunter?
Oh, there's a lot of stuff I like to see. I want to check out the Rockford booth.
Yes.
There's a couple of, there's like 3M over there. Probably got some cool stuff going on.
Memphis Audio. Look at this. Dude, this is a sick ass trailer right here. Oh, it's wet sounds. Dude, this is like boat audio and stuff. Outdoor. Dude, that is insane. This thing is sick. You get some with tracks here. Badass. It's on a bike. It's a motorcycle. Damn. That was on a motorcycle. Oh, this is fucking cool. Dude, that's awesome. She said, do you love me? And tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub. I even got it tatted on me. This is crazy.
You know me. Turn the 02 into the 03. Without 40 Ollie, Debbie know me.
They in side back?
Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan. God's plan.
410s in the side
I
back.
can't do this on my.
Yeah, the B3, the Can-Am.
It's just like side by side everywhere. It's like rails aren't even cool anymore.
This is crazy on the side by side though. How big these tires are? Yeah. Yep.
He looks pretty rad.
He is.
Pretty rad.
This is Rad Dan Supra. This is his new one. Man, this thing is insane. He does awesome work. Dude, he's so good.
This is sick.
This truck is crazy. Tailgating central right here.
We started with a brand new build this year. It's a 1950, like you said. It's actually
I love the phone dials.
Yeah.
Like the new retro. Yeah.
That's really cool. This is sick though. I don't know if I like the GTS though. I don't know.
I think it's kind of interesting.
Tiguan, little canopy action. This Tiguan's sick. heads-up display.
I think it's part of the windshield.
Is this? Oh yeah.
So I think they did it maybe 5 minutes ago, so maybe I'll do it again.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
right, guys, that was awesome. So Hunter and I just talked to Charles, Humble Mechanic, for, I don't know, half hour or so.
At least.
Dude, super cool dude. He was super chill, you know, definitely down to talk to us. So, you know, shout out to Charles for being such a cool dude. Got some awesome info on his Mark 7 Golf R, and you know, kind of relayed some Volkswagen, you know, mechanic stuff back and forth, which is cool. So yeah, it was cool. What do you think?
It was great. He was a really nice, super guy. Super cool to talk to. Knows his shit.
Yeah.
Just another dude that just happens to be famous on the internet.
Yeah. So that was awesome. But yeah, so we're heading back to the hotel now. Day 2's in the books. It was a lot of walking. Like, where are we at now on
let me see.
on steps? Because yeah, it was
Last time I checked, I was at 5 miles.
a lot of walking. I think we did like almost 8 or 8.
I did 9 yesterday.
9, so we did 9. I was like almost 8 yesterday. So yeah, it was cool. But we'll see what
5 right now.
5? Okay, well, not too bad. But yeah, day 2 was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage on that, and we'll do day 3 tomorrow, and I'll see you then.